Hey there, food lovers! Get ready for some seriously fudgy deliciousness. We've created the ultimate fudge brownies. Ready to uncover the secrets of making mouth-watering fudge brownies? Join us on this delightful journey into the world of fudge brownies, where we'll create timeless memories together. Before we start, ensure you have unsalted butter, unsweetened chocolate, granulated sugar, light brown sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and unsweetened cocoa powder. Combining these essential ingredients with care and precision creates a delightful symphony of chocolatey goodness. Using high-quality ingredients is critical to achieving the best results. Now, for the essential tools. You'll need a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, parchment paper, a medium saucepan, a heat-proof bowl, a whisk, a rubber spatula, and measuring cups and spoons. Preparing with these essential tools will significantly enhance your baking experience and make the process more efficient and enjoyable. Remember, having the right tools is just as crucial as having ingredients. It's the perfect recipe for success. Now get ready for some mouth-watering brownies coming your way. Preheating the oven sets the stage for the ultimate brownie performance. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour your 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Line the pan with parchment paper for easy removal. This step ensures perfectly baked brownies. Parchment paper simplifies lifting the brownies out. Now, craft your irresistible brownie masterpiece. Imagine this, a match made in dessert heaven. Butter and chocolate, the ultimate dynamic duo. In a medium saucepan over low heat, gently melt the unsalted butter. Combine and melt the butter and unsweetened chocolate, stirring occasionally until smooth. Maintaining low heat is crucial to ensure the chocolate doesn't scorch. This mixture creates a rich, velvety base for our decadent brownies. Prepare to be amazed as the butter and chocolate work their magic. Mastering the melting process is critical for that irresistible fudgy brownie texture. Let's enhance the flavor as we blend the sugars for our irresistible fudge brownies. After removing the saucepan from the heat, whisk in the granulated and packed light brown sugar until thoroughly combined. Make sure to whisk thoroughly to guarantee an even distribution of the sugars. Blend in the sugars and watch the mixture magically become a luscious, shiny batter. Take a moment to savor the luxurious, tantalizing scent in your kitchen. Imagine savoring an extraordinary brownie. A splash of vanilla elevates the flavor, adding an irresistible depth that makes every bite delicious. Don't miss this delightful twist. Delicately blend in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring each one is fully integrated before adding the next. This step guarantees the eggs are evenly dispersed throughout the batter, creating a lusciously smooth texture. Watch the batter transform into a lighter, airy mixture as you whisk in the eggs. This will elevate the richness and ensure all the ingredients are melded perfectly. The tantalizing aroma of pure vanilla extract fills the air. Imagine rich, decadent chocolate with a subtle hint of comforting warmth, elevated by the smooth infusion of vanilla extract. This delightful combination adds a touch of complexity and a beautiful layer of flavor to the chocolate. It's a match made in dessert heaven. Incorporating eggs and vanilla into our brownie recipe is like orchestrating a delectable symphony of flavors with every bite. This signifies that the eggs effectively bind the ingredients and form a unified mixture. Additionally, the vanilla extract enhances the chocolate flavor with a hint of warmth and depth. Every ingredient is crucial in crafting the result, which brings richness, depth, and a sprinkle of magic. Flour power. Grab a bowl and whisk together all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, a dash of baking powder, and a pinch of salt for a delicious blend. These essential dry ingredients create the brownie's structure and enhance their delightful texture, satisfying every bite. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture with a rubber spatula until well combined. Enjoy the process. Be sure to mix with a gentle touch. Overmixing can lead to tough brownies instead of the tender treats you aim for. Let's keep them soft and delicious. This crucial step guarantees an impeccable texture for your brownies. If you're passionate about baking, now is the perfect time to elevate your skills by perfecting your baking dish preparation. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it evenly. This ensures your brownies bake evenly and have a uniform thickness, delivering irresistible taste and texture. An adequately prepared pan, greased, floured, and lined with parchment, ensures easy release and simple cleanup. To achieve the perfect consistency, take a spatula or the back of a spoon and carefully smooth the batter's surface, ensuring it fills every corner of the pan for even baking. With this method, you'll achieve evenly baked brownies every time, ensuring that each one boasts the perfect, delightful texture you desire. As you pour the batter into the pan, take a moment to appreciate the rich, chocolatey aroma that fills your kitchen. Prepare yourself for a delightful experience. Imagine the irresistible aroma wafting through the air as those brownies bake perfectly. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this decadent treat that will make your taste buds sing. Did you know that the secret to brownie bliss lies in mastering the art of baking? Perfecting each batch ensures your brownies are rich, fudgy, and irresistible. Get ready to indulge your taste buds. Bake for an exhilarating 25 to 30 minutes, and get ready for the magic. As the clock ticks down, a toothpick will reveal moist, fudgy crumbs, signaling a chocolatey treasure just about to emerge. The rich aroma will fill your kitchen, creating an irresistible delight for your taste buds. Watch your brownies closely while baking. Overbaking can make them dry and crumbly. Aim for a fudgy texture by checking frequently to keep them moist and delicious. Toothpick testing is the most reliable method to ensure your brownies are perfectly baked. If the toothpick comes out clean, they are overbaked. If it comes out with moist crumbs attached, they are perfectly baked and ready to be enjoyed. Baking is like orchestrating the grand finale of our brownie symphony, where every ingredient plays its part to create a delicious masterpiece. This is an experience you won't want to miss. Did you know the secret to the ultimate brownie is in the final touches? Now, let's dive into the exciting stage of cooling and cutting. Let's make these brownies irresistible. Let the brownies cool completely in the pan before cutting them into squares. Allowing the brownies to cool ensures they are correctly set, making them much easier to handle and slice into perfect pieces. Cooling the brownies is essential for maintaining their shape, making slicing effortless, and preventing crumbling. Once the brownies are completely cool, lift them from the pan using the parchment paper overhang. This clever trick allows you to effortlessly lift the brownies onto a cutting board, keeping them intact and ready for slicing. Cut the brownies into squares and serve them. Cooling and slicing are the perfect finishing touches to our brownie masterpiece. Let the brownies set to make them easier to handle and serve. This step enhances their presentation, turning them into stunning, delicious treats that will impress everyone. There's something truly magical about a fudge brownie. It's the perfect blend of rich, dark chocolate, a slightly chewy texture, and that irresistible, crackly top. Imagine sinking your teeth into a warm, fudgy brownie, the rich chocolate melting in your mouth. From the moment the aroma of warm chocolate fills your kitchen to the first decadent bite, brownies brighten even the dreariest of days. Making brownies is a rewarding experience that brings joy to both the baker and the lucky recipients. Now, share the secrets to baking brownies that impress your friends, family, and most importantly, yourself. Thank you for watching our video on how to make delicious fudge brownies. We hope you've enjoyed exploring these delightful and indulgent treats. Don't keep your creations to yourself. Share them with us on social media. We'd love to see what you've made, so feel free to tag us or comment below. If this video inspired you and made you smile, please tap the like button and subscribe to our channel for more excellent recipes and baking insights. Be sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated on thrilling new recipes and culinary adventures coming your way. Your support truly means everything to us. It fuels our passion and helps us whip up even more delightful sweet treats just for you. Thank you for being a vital part of our journey and baking community. Until next time, happy baking.